In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create an FXPRIMUS account. First, head over to the official website by visiting FXPRIMUS.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the Register button located at the top right corner. After that, select Client and then click on Become a Client to start the account creation process. You'll now see a registration form where you need to select your country and enter your first and last name. Next, choose your phone number, type in your email address, and create a secure password that you'll use to log in. After that, select the type of account you want, either individual or corporate. If you have a referral code, you can also enter it here, but this step is completely optional. Make sure to check all the required boxes and review the client agreement before proceeding. Once everything is filled out correctly, click on Register Now and your FXPRIMUS account will be successfully created. After completing the registration, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which looks clean and easy to navigate. From here, you can access all your account features and start using FXPRIMUS without any issues. I hope this video helps you set up your account smoothly. If you found it useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and support my work. Thanks for watching.